Hi, I'm Tom, and I've been live coding a Lemmings game on twitch.tv/Scutterman. We have had a few really good streams this last week, starting off Sunday night right after I recorded the last devlog. We were looking into assembly script transforms. The Lemmings game is written in assembly script, which is a variant of TypeScript, and it compiles to WebAssembly, and the transforms are a way of injecting and intercepting code midway through, after it's passed all of the TypeScript, but before it's compiled to WebAssembly. So we got really lucky in that one of the main assembly script contributors popped by the stream and was able to give us a hand on some things. And what we managed to do on Sunday night stream is use the transforms to turn our custom map format into TypeScript classes, which were then turned into WebAssembly. So we managed to do that, not necessarily easily, but it worked a lot better than I expected, considering I've never used them before. And then on Friday, we did the same for our animations. So now we've got our custom map format compiling and our custom texture/animation format compiling, and those get linked into the main code. One of the problems I was facing is that the objects have to be there before the transform runs, because the code references them. And if the code references something which isn't found, then it won't compile, which means it can't transform, which is a little bit annoying. I might have to end up rewriting them so it just uses TypeScript instead of using the much more convenient transform method, just so that it can definitely run to completion and generate the objects before they're needed in the parsing stage. So then on Friday, what we also did was it Friday or was it Saturday? I think it was Friday. We also generated the code which would help us select levels. So in Lemmings, there's two ways that you can select levels. One is you click onto the difficulty level right on the title screen. Say you click on fun, takes you straight to the fast level. So we needed a way to say, okay, give me the fast level of the fun difficulty. The other way you can access the level is you go to the level code entry screen and you type in the code, and that means that we need a way of saying, here is a code, give me a level that matches. So we updated our transforms to be able to generate classes which can do both of those things. It's going to be really useful in the future. And then on Saturday, we did a load of tidying up and cleaning up our niggle list, so that tonight we can get straight on, and in our map editor we can actually do a new map button, which will collect all of the information required to insert a new map into the game. At the moment we have the map editor pretty much fully functional, but only if you're editing an existing map, of which there is one at the moment. The only other thing we need to add to the editor is to tell it what the default tile set looks like on each level. So we have tiles which have very fixed defined roles, and our map editor will be able to say, okay, on this level the ground tile looks like a piece of dirt, and then that's the default animations, or the default textures, I guess. And then we can do custom textures where on each level we can say tile on row 14, line 32, or column 32 actually looks like a piece of grass, not a piece of dirt. So that's basically where we're at. Pretty much everything else is mostly functional, and I think tonight we can make some really good progress. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, links to both my stream and my Discord are in the description, and I hope to see you soon. See ya.